Welcome back everyone to another sneakers unboxing video with Moy, and it is the 10th episode. And a couple days ago I actually got my hands on the new off-white dunk. So that's what we will be unboxing today. So let's get to it. So here's the box. It always comes with the Just Do It tape on the bottom as well. But that's pretty much it. I got the Supreme keys. So let's get to it. A little hard, low key. Yo. Alright, so right off the bat we have like this chrome box. It looks really nice, honestly. And then of course the virtual album of like deconstruction and all that. So there's like a hole, but I'm pretty sure there's holes all around the box. So let me just take these out. Okay, so yeah. This is the Nike green strikes. It has holes all around, but I will be getting close-ups so you guys can see a little more in depth. But on the bottom it says Nike Air Rubber Dunk /OW, making off-white maybe, but the colors are black, white, green, strike. So this is a size 9, and in women's is a 10.5. So now let me take a look at these. All right, so we have a really nice like off-white paper, orange. So it says 2020 off-white, and that is pretty much it. But let's see how these look. Yo, these look kind of fresh though. Wow, the smell smells really good. It's really strong, but it smells good. First look, made in China. Okay, and then the zip tie doesn't actually have any like lettering, but it's like it has like suede on it. It's not like your like original off-white plastic, and it's like soft. So let me take the other shoe out as well. And okay, so right off the bat, these are really like bulky. Like I don't know, it's just really bulky. It looks nice though. I actually like the shoe, but so other details would be, of course, the lettering that. What the hell is this? Somebody's hair got stuck in the material. Oh no. Okay. So yeah, what it says is the off-white for Nike, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. It says 2019, but I guess they had these in the works for a while now. But you also get your extra set of slime laces. So it just says shoelaces in quotes. And other than that, the only thing that's probably like deconstructed, because they didn't really do it that much on this shoe, was the tongue. The tongue is pretty much like the other off-whites that have come out, but if anything they just added like material over, so it's really thick. It's like the toe box is really thick as well. It's like a really thick rubber, and midsole, I mean, pretty much the same as any dunk. And then the bubble, of course. It's exposed because usually, dunks never show their bubble. But on the back, it has Nike Air. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Nike Air. And then they redid the tongue tags, so they say Nike off. So just small little details that maybe you didn't know. So let's see how the insoles look. If I can even get the paper out. Dang! Y'all see why. Put it over here. Take this one out as well. What we get inside is a large Nike swoosh, if you can or cannot see it, but it's the same for the right shoe as well. And these say Y 2013. Honestly, I like this shoe. It's like really different. That's what we all say, I guess. But honestly, these are my actually second pair of off-whites. My first pair was the Air Jordan 5s, but at the time I was not like thinking about making YouTube, so I actually ended up selling those for a good profit. So it is what it is, but I was a little sad to let them go. But these are now my second off-white pair that I get retail off the sneakers app, so that's a little rare. But yeah, man, let me get you guys the close-up shots of every single little detail that you see or you don't see, and I'll get you the on feet as well before it gets dark out. So let's get to it. video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if I missed anything, from laces maybe to soles, midsoles, toe box, any little details that you might have seen that I did not say. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a like, maybe share it with your buddies. Other than that, y'all have a good one.